Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to open a PayPal account. PayPal is probably the widest used electronic payment system. Here's how to register there. You'll need a few things to set up a PayPal account, including a credit or debit card for making payments, your credit card bank statement for verification purposes, and in some cases even a form of ID like a passport. This solely depends on your country. Go to paypal.com and find the sign up button. You may be asked to provide a phone number and input the verification code. If asked for a type of account, you'll need to choose the version of an account and click continue. If you are just starting out in the world of online retail, it would be a good idea to start with a personal account which can be upgraded at a later date. The next step is to fill out the form that shows up with your name, email address, and password. Hit continue and then fill out the second form by selecting your nationality and typing in your address, phone number, and any other info that's required. Once you hit continue, your account will be created. Once done with registration, you will now have a PayPal account. Now, let's add a card. By adding a card to your PayPal account, you can spend money and pay money directly into your account from PayPal. To do this, click Add a card to use later. Add your card information and then click Add Card. Now, one more thing that's left to do is confirm your email address. If you haven't received the email automatically, simply click Confirm your email address on the summary page and then click the link in the email that you receive. PayPal offers a vast amount of possibilities for online payments, and this is just the very first step to start using their services. What other PayPal-related tutorials would you like us to make? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.